Push acronym in praying mode, unique talk about faith. In the drawing of this episode, only the will of God, and His perfect moment chosen by Him can make small crack in the invisible brick wall that separates a Christian boy and a Christian girl, both praying to meet one day and make a family, kids, and have a blessed life. I have 25 years of praying for my wife. Before I met her, my wife has 25 years of praying for a husband, me. We have 50 years of praying, plus the compound effect of our beliefs and experiences lessons. The relationship between two believers has the central focus the faith in God with faith experiences until today. We both have the biblical belief of fear of God, we both believe in the blessings from God, we both try to live the life in the will of God and living through faith. This is faith. We continue praying, it keeps us united, this practice grows the faith and the bond between us. Welcome to a new talk about the Christian faith in God. Ugly Truth Man is sharing from his experiences. How many times, maybe, you cross near each other without knowing that the beautiful girl who is shopping every Friday at 4 p.m., will be your wife in 5 years. Our mind is closed, our eyes are covered, our ears are disturbed by other thoughts. When the will of God is about to happen in our life, everything makes sense, we start seeing, and we see the hand of God in our simple life. PUSH acronym stands for Pray Until Something Happen. We have this capacity of believing and understanding how the things work in spiritual way, because only this thing matters. If the things we want, sincere mutual love for example, if it's not a blessing from God, it's pure fake, bought with money or love with benefits, and it won't last. To pray until something happen means to have a desire, a plan, or a target in life, a point somewhere in the future where you want to be, how you imagine yourself. You know that only God can give you answer, you are already doing your side of work, you pray, work and have patience, you must change the prayer, the life circumstances, the way you live your life if the results don't show in your life after a time. The idea is that you must pray with a trustful heart in God, with the faith you build in your life, and have the job done, being present and also have plan B, plan C if things don't work as you expect, meaning you are not doing things right, or God wants something else, better for you. Check out my episodes about plan B in life, link in description. The limit of praying, the word deadline, has another meaning. Yes, we will pray until the heart stops beating, the end of life, and we have 3 types of prayers we do every day, because a man asked my mother how he should pray, because he doesn't know how to pray with his words. In many religions people are brainwashed in a way that they don't use their heart, mind, and words to pray to God. People memorize prayers, or Bible verses and it is nothing bad, but learning to open your heart and say with your own words, the way you think and understand, you can pray to God from your feelings and sincere life. God wants honest sincere hearts, who are doing the will of God, living like true Christians. And the last bus station, check my episode, link in description, the last bus station is the life after death. A friend of mine moved to another country at age of 55, he left a beautiful 3-farm and beautiful house. He said he is a free man, his hearth is not attached of material things, he give the car and the dog to his neighbor, and he lives with his wife in another country, and his kid is in another country. The people who know that everything we do and we gather remains here on earth. We work for different reasons in life, different motivations and dreams. But only faith gives a different point of view and understanding of life. PUSH acronym. Pray until something happen, believe and do your part of work, be present.